Hi kitties, good evening. So I had a full day of work. Now I'm going to unwind and do my night skincare routine. First, I'm using ordinary Squalane cleanser, which contains squalane and lipophilic esters. Best way to use it to rub between your palms. It changes the texture from a balm-like to a clear oil-like consistency. Emulsifying sucrose esters in the formula trap and dissolve makeup and facial impurities like oil, sebum, dirt. And next, I use a water-based face wash like Put Simply Get Your Greens Cleanser or Simple Kind to Skin face wash. Both are extremely gentle on the skin, and this is how my skin looks after double cleansing. So on Monday and Thursday, basically for 2 nights in a week, I use PIXI Glow Tonic, which is a 5% glycolic acid toner to exfoliate and get rid of the dead skin cells, which is a must do in your weekly night skincare routine. Make sure you don't use retinol on the days when you are using glycolic acid toner. Next, I use Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, which has 96.3% Snail Mucin filtrate, which nourishes and hydrates my skin. It makes my skin so bouncy and repair everything from dry patches to acne breakouts to hyperpigmentation. It also helped me to get rid of my smile lines. It's my Botox and fillers in a way. Now I'm using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I have finished bottles of it, and it has bifida ferment lysate, lactobacillus ferment, digitata seed extract, peptides, hyaluronic acid like ingredients. It's one of the most expensive but very powerful serum indeed. Do you see the glow it gives to my skin? You can use this serum in the daytime as well, but I like to use vitamin C serums in the daytime, so I keep this for my nighttime. 2 nights in a week, like on Tuesday and Friday, I use retinol skincare. Right now I'm using Wrinkles 0.1% retinol night cream, which not only helps to fight fine lines and wrinkles, also helps in reducing the acne and minimizing the enlarged pores. For my night cream, which helps my skin to repair and rejuvenate throughout the night, I use COSRX Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. It has 92% Snail Mucin filtrate that moisturizes, plumps and nourishes the skin. It has great anti-aging benefits as it helps the skin to regenerate while you sleep. And then I use my eye cream. I'm using Dr. Petite Vitamin K eye cream. It has 1% vitamin K complex, which promotes blood circulation around the skin of the under eye area and strengthens your skin barrier to help improve dark circles. I've used many eye creams. This one works the best on my dark circles. And lastly, I also like to use a sleeping mask on the days when I'm not using retinol moisturizer. I love layering in the night time. So currently I'm using Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It has watermelon extract, which is rich in amino acids, seaweed extract, glycolic acid and hyaluronic acid. You can have a very simple night skincare routine, just your serum, moisturizer and your eye cream, or you can layer and add extra steps like I do. Your night skincare routine should be something that helps you unwind, and it should not overwhelm you. I personally love to enjoy doing so many skincare steps and layering my skincare. This is what makes me happy, so do what makes you happy. And that's it for my night skincare routine. I hope it was relaxing to watch, and I will see you in my next video. Bye kitties, good night, take care.